Installing the Ricoh embedded via the Terminal Deployment tool. Ensure you have created a printer with a serial number as well as an embedded profile for Ricoh within the administration portal. Click the Upload icon. Check the box of the device you wish to install. Click Manual Operations. Download the Terminal Deployment tool. Unzip. Browse to this tool in PowerShell or Command Prompt. Copy the displayed command to the clipboard. Paste the command and execute it. The installation starts, and check that the output completes with Install command ended successfully message. The embedded is now installed. Authorize the endpoint, and users can now log in.